Hi, this video will cover installation of JRI Publisher. Installation is very simple and very straightforward. There's a couple of options during installation, and I'll go over those here. The simplest method is using the install script, and this will install Webmin as well as the module along with it. Let's go ahead and grab the script and make it executable. And go ahead and run the script. And when the installation completes, we'll see the message here, JRI Publisher install. Go to Servers JRI Publisher to complete the installation. That's using the wizard. There's also this optional SERP-ART module of ours that for provisioning SSL. If you don't want that, you can just comment that out of the script. So now just go ahead and log into Webmin and complete installation using the wizard. And once logged into Webmin, if you go to Servers and JRI Publisher, and we'll see here the Setup Wizard, and you're just going to click through the Setup Wizard and select the different versions that you want. We've tested with OpenJDK 8. Other versions may or may not work. Go ahead and install OpenJDK 8. And we'll see the output from each step in the wizard is verbose, as long as there are no errors at the end. Go ahead and continue the setup. And this is get an entropy generator that will make Tomcat start up much quicker. It does use more CPU. If your CPU is limited, that's something you might want to consider skipping. Okay, Tomcat we've tested with Tomcat 8 and Tomcat 9. I'm going to go ahead and use Tomcat 9. Okay, and that's all set, and we'll just keep clicking return to setup. MUT is used along with the MTA in order to deliver email reports, scheduled email reports. Okay, now here you can select the version of, excuse me, the JasperReportsIntegration version you want to install. And if you want to install one of the beta versions, just click the Show Beta Versions. I'm going to go ahead and install 2.4. Okay, so again we get this very verbose output. And we'll see here it's set the Jasper config home in the Tomcat set environment script. And we'll just finish the installation. The JRI report script is what's used for generating the scheduled reports. And then finally you'll see if no warnings above, click here to complete setup. And it'll take us back to the main JRI page. And the JRI WAR file is not yet deployed, so go ahead and click Start Apache to deploy the WAR file. And just one final note, in order to send out the scheduled scheduled reports via email, or any reports via email, we'll need an MTA. If you postfix under unused modules, if you go ahead with just the default installation of that, just click install now and let Webmin install it for you. That'll be sufficient for sending out your reports via email. That in conjunction with MUT, which we installed earlier.